Hey everyone, today I will share with you how to make the Spanish food. Here is tortilla de patatas. It's known as Spanish omelette. I remember when I was in Spain, it's my favorite food that I love to cook. Today I will share with you. So today I will use Kipfler potato. So potatoes fall into three basic categories, which is starchy and waxy and all-purpose. All-purpose between starchy and waxy. But I prefer use Kipfler potato. It's a great tasting waxy potato, which I love with its low GI. So this is all my ingredients. So chop white onion, chop garlic, and this one is roast coriander seeds, garlic shoots, some dry tomato, cut a small piece, but just dry oil, and got egg. So this is Kipfler potato. So let's prepare cooking. So when you cut the Kipfler potato, cut a small slice, small piece, and nice thin. So just like that. Okay. So be careful with your hand. So cut like that. So nice thin piece, beautiful. So let's cook potato first. So use a non-stick pan. So we add a little bit salt, but not too much salt, just a little bit, basic flavor. So you can add a little bit black pepper, just a little bit. Tray, and then we put the potato here, let a little bit cooling down. So we check. So potato cook. So now we're going to cook the onions. So add the garlic. So we add the white onion. So the onion you don't need have to cook until the color is brown. So just a little bit cook, but not so add garlic shoots. Coriander, roast coriander, beautiful smell. And sun-dried tomato. So nearly cooked. So beautiful. bit of smell. Add a little bit of salt. So use a sieve, just in case got the watering or juice. Let's mix the egg. Just make sure not too much bubble inside. So just collect. Potato. So just make sure no break the potato. Piece slice. So we add already cook the onion, everything already inside. And mix. So basically mix properly with the add a little black pepper. So mix. So that's it. We prepare the mixture and then we cook. So now going to cook the patata. So use the pan, no stick pan. So just add not too much oil and pan not too hot. Just give slowly cook. So probably like medium fire is best way. So you can see slowly cook, but in the middle not yet set, but have to little bit slowly cook. And then you shake a little bit and then later on tip over with that one rimless plate. So you can see in the side already cooked, so the middle not yet really cooked. So you can see easy to move. And now important part is cover the plates and tip over. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, beautiful. So beautiful color. So now you can see the color beautiful and set. Nice golden color, beautiful, perfect cook. Now it's set, cook. So you cover with the rimless plates, cover up. So tip over. 1, 2, 3. It's tortilla de patata. It's omelette.